Okay, I'm on Midway Campground Road, 52870 US 41. Gonna take a little campground cruise here. This is a National Park Service campground with cold water showers, reservations required. Usually have a campground host up here. There's both tent camping and RV camping. There's some people from Illinois down here. Site 9. It's also a day use area if you want to come have a picnic. I think it has 29 RV sites. That's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Looks like the high teens and the 20s could do blockage on your satellite dish. Got tent camping over here. Comes with nice little fire pit / grill. Hey, there's Crystal. Got your dump station, utility fee $10. Over here, again, it's day use area. This is cold water showers. They told me cold water showers and bathrooms. It's pretty hot out, so I don't think a cold water shower would bother you too much. And that concludes our tour of the Midway Campground. Here's where you get your water from. And we're gonna go look for some gators. See you later, alligator.